Should we put him up there?
No, he killed flying.
He's not gonna die. Fuck.
Oh god, this is gonna end really poorly.
He doesn't even.
Okay, turn it down.
He doesn't even do that.
There.
2. Put it to 2, Chris.
1.5.
Wally, come here. Slower now. Yeah, come here, Wally. Yo, Wally. Turn it off. I don't want to see my kitty.
Oh my god, he's doing it again.